Here's how to tie the Bachmann slide and grip hitch. To tie it, you'll need a Prusik loop, a carabiner, and the main rope that is roughly twice the diameter of the Prusik loop that you'll be using. Start by taking the carabiner, then turning it upside down and passing the Prusik loop through the carabiner. Slide the Prusik loop over to the top of the carabiner, then place it next to the main rope and start wrapping it around it 3 to 5 times. On the final turn, make sure to pass the Prusik loop through the carabiner once again and lock the carabiner. Make sure to adjust it so that all of the turns are sitting neatly next to one another. This slide and grip knot is often used over the Prusik knot because the carabiner can be used as a handle. And this allows you to slide it up and down very easily. It's very commonly used as a backup system for when you're climbing up or down a rope. That's because it's very easy to slide and adjust, but at the same time, it keeps a very good amount of tension. To learn other useful knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.